Hello, I am Daedran and welcome to ePrime. Ribby's to expand into Florida on the heels of its Jamaica waterfront opening. Kingston's first waterfront bar and lounge is officially open. Ribby's Ocean Lounge, set on the picturesque Victoria Pier in downtown Kingston, popularly known as the Waterfront, held its official opening last night, where it featured media and friends. Speaking at the event, Kamal Banki made the announcement of future plans for the chain, with an expansion into the United States.
I'm just sorry that the city of Kingston can't come with us.
Myself and my brother, Dane Spencer, went to Panama and saw the redevelopment of their old city, Casco Viejo. And if you've ever been there, you know that it's magical. Casco Viejo is the old Panama. And there's a renaissance, there's a redevelopment. And the redevelopment of downtown Panama likens to Kingston.
Ribby's Ocean Lounge joins the Ultra Lounge located at Lashushan Plaza. With the announcement, the partners Kamal, Don and Ribby are looking to move the chain to 4 within the next 2 years. Don Crary, one of the partners, spoke of the vision of Ocean Lounge, the chain's recent milestone.
It's our first venture downtown, but it is just a catalyst for many more. We believe that if any civilized, prosperous or progressive country, your waterfront should be the place of choice for dining, entertainment and leisure.
According to its third partner, Ribby, this new lounge is set to change the landscape of downtown Kingston.
We have revitalized the new Victoria Pier right here in downtown Kingston. And brand Ribby's Ocean Lounge is happy to be a part of the prosperity of downtown Kingston.
The ultra-modern location, Ribby's Ocean Lounge, continues its celebration tonight with its public grand opening. Ribby's Ocean Lounge is just one of the latest businesses investing in downtown's waterfront. Now to news overseas, where Kanye West has distanced himself from politics. His announcement causing speculation over the last 2 days about his relationship with U.S. President Donald Trump. In a series of tweets on Tuesday, the rapper announced to his over 28 million followers that his eyes are now open wide, and he now realizes that he has been used to spread a message he doesn't believe in. He added that he'll be completely focusing on being a creative. Ye, who looks to set the record straight, listed the many areas he supports. Surprisingly splitting from Donald Trump's policies on immigration, he tweeted that he believes in love and compassion for people seeking asylum and parents who are fighting to protect their children from violence and war. Kanye's tweets are also said to be centered around a campaign he was linked to known as Blexit, which encourages Black Americans to quit the Democratic Party. Kanye, who has been a vocal supporter of President Trump, has left many speculating that he is moving away from supporting the president. Trump is yet to comment on Kanye's tweets. That's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.